Yo! Yo!
So to be frank, I don't remember the ingredients specifically because it was a lazy recipe and I was just hungry. But I remember how you make it, and I also remember the recipe to be frank. So like these ingredients include the sauce, which is very lazy. Please choose your own sauce if you wanna. I'm just gonna make sauce out of sauces I have in my fridge, like a kid who is mixing up shampoos in the washroom. Like same thing, you know. Yeah, I'm like a virgin. This is my cauldron. Yeah. This is you. For the main part, my only goal is to keep the paneer crispy. That's the only goal. Like, okay, it's gonna taste so good, guys. You just have to trust me. Like, does it not look delicious already? Huh? Like, the best combo I've had it with is like that with ramen and a glass of coke. It tastes so good. Like, trust me on that. Just trust, guys. Just trust. Next, we're gonna bring out a bowl to mix the slurry with cornstarch or maida and spices that you like. So you could dip the paneer in it and coat it in breadcrumbs, and then you're gonna freeze it for a while. After that, you're gonna deep fry it, make the sauce, and after that, you're gonna mix it with the sauce. So that's basically the process of what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, as you can see, I have very conveniently decided that I will use a small bowl which probably will not fit enough slurry to mix all of those. And so I'm gonna have to remake the batch and make myself suffer even more, like any sane person would do. But let's just hope it will be enough. Let's go. Last time I did this, the cornstarch was not enough, so I'm gonna be using bits and pieces of maida as well. Head level, I could have been filming like this whole time. What the hell? What the hell? I hope you can see cornstarch. Now we're gonna add water to that. Oh my god, I feel. Ugh. Since I don't have a very lovely tripod today, it's just my hand, I will tell you what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm gonna mix water with the cornstarch and mix it together with chopsticks, and I'm also at the same time will be adding some chaat masala, chili powder, salt, and anything that smells good in my kitchen. I realized I could add these things before, so I will be adding them in its powder form. I don't know how much is enough. I will just eyeball the whole thing. Not like it matters because it's gonna be coated in sauce either ways, right? Also, I feel like me making this video is less about making it a tutorial and more about keeping myself company because I just like to yap. I last time used the frother thingy from IKEA, except the batteries are out and I can't find it. One just flew right to oblivion. So I guess this is my life right now. I feel like I'm making slime. Here to notify that it does not matter how it looks, because it looks ugly either ways, but it matters how thick it is or how sticky it is, because it's gonna have to hold the breadcrumbs in its place. Otherwise, it's not gonna turn out crispy once you're deep fried, right? And I like it crispy, if you couldn't tell already. So I'm gonna be adding a bit of maida because mine isn't thick enough. So yeah. Okay, so this is how my mix turned out. It looks like it could actually, possibly, be enough for all the paneer that I cut up, right? And then now I'm gonna grab a plate and have some breadcrumbs laid out. So once I get dipping the paneer into the slurry, I could just directly coat it with the breadcrumbs and keep it aside. So now here I have the paneer, here the slurry, here the breadcrumbs, and here's where the final destination it's gonna be. Final destination. Okay, it's gonna be, whoa, it's gonna be, whoa. Well, this, I too don't know why I'm filming this shot. I just love the glare so much. It makes it look like the camera has astigmatism. Pretty cool. I have superpowers. I'm not okay. Basically, this goes in this, and then stays there until it gets in the fridge or freezer. I don't know. Okay, so since I'm afraid of multitasking, I will be making the sauce right now, but I'm not gonna cook it. I'm just gonna prepare it, keep it aside, and then I'm gonna deep fry my paneer slices, and then we could toss it on the stove again with the sauce, and it'll be done. Okay?
A few moments later.
I was really craving for like a sweet and spicy, sauce with the snacks that I prepared last time, and I wanted it to be like honey sort of ish. So, like, what I did was I added a bit of this chili gravy mix, paneer. I added a bit of gochujang. I added a bit of soy sauce, and I hate to admit this, but I also added barbecue sauce because I was like smelling stuff and I was like, this smells sweet. I wanted something sweet. So like, yeah. But and also obviously honey. You're gonna have to add honey. Do not tone down on honey because I love honey. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I might or might not record it right now. So yeah, there you go. I feel like most of the sauce includes ingredients that would seem like a fever dream, but it tastes good and it looks good. It's gonna work out well. I just hope the quantity is good so that I don't have to mix more later on. They sort of have to be this light brown crispy shade. I'm using chopsticks to flip them, and I'm gonna move them over there and into the sauce.